Hey there, team. Just want to show you a few things on this install. It's a Kava install. I have the CO2 cylinders mounted on into the bracket with the chain. There's the CO2 regulator. Right now, I don't have anything live right now because there's a water issue, which I'm about to show you what's going on with that. There's my carbonator mounted. All the lines are connected right now, just waiting for water. And here's the bib rack. Pumps are all set. I have the bib racks labeled. I have the connectors. Connectors are all in place, ready to go. And here's the issue that we're waiting on right now. You can see that loop line right there. That's the water line. So they looped it for some reason to be able to have water on the other end of the building. But what's happening right now is I'm waiting for the plumbers to get in, and what they're gonna do is they're gonna cut that loop out, and they're gonna put inlet fittings on there, and then we'll be able to connect the filter line in and go from there. Just wanted to show you again that setup that you seen earlier. I have everything connected now the way it should be, so I'm just going to show you the fittings. That's the 3/4 to 3/8 fitting. It's a 3/4 female to 3/8 barb fitting on one end, and then I connect there to the inlet that the plumber put in. You got the shutoff, and then you have the 3/8 barb fitting that I connect to for my inlet. So now I have the inlet, and then we're able to flush through, and I connect this line here to the outlet side. That's the same fitting as the inlet side. That's 3/4 female to 3/8 barbed on the other end. And I have the same thing right up here, up top. That's just a 3/8 barb fitting. And right here, I'm teed off into my this T fitting. That's going to my water regulator, my flow regulator. Keeps it at 50 psi, or keeps it steady at 50 psi, going into the Procon pump and going over to the machine. So we have all of the connections ready to go. The only thing, there was a incident on this site. You can see right up here, that's the sprinkler. The plumber was doing some hot work around this area, so the heat, the pressure, the heat from the steam that was coming out of the pipe, that set off the sprinkler. So right now we're unable to do anything further water-wise because the plumbers have to come back and repair this pipe. But these are the basic connections that we would like to use on the Kava installs. And that's all I got on this one. I thank you all for watching. And by the way, this filter install was able to be put into operation the following day. The plumber was able to fix that sprinkler pipe, and we were able to go ahead and put the machine in operation and adjust our flow rates and do our bricks and everything. So those are basically the fittings that you would want to use for your water filter installs.